how to prepare for your adjustment of status interview based on marriage. The first thing you have to understand is that you and your spouse have the burden of proof to prove to USCIS that you have a legitimate marriage, that you are in fact in a legitimate relationship. The point of the interview is to review all of your original documents and see if you're truly a couple. If you didn't marry each other for the papers, basically. So my recommendation is that you take all of the documents that have both your names on them, including bills, bank accounts, insurances such as health, car, life insurance, and so forth. And also provide them with pictures of the wedding, but most importantly before the wedding, just normal pictures, regular pictures before the wedding, after the wedding. What they're gonna ask you is how you met, when did you become engaged, who proposed, did you buy a ring, who bought the ring, those kinds of things that you already know. All the good stuff about your relationship, the daily routine, okay? They wanna know who locked the door this morning when you left your house. Now, you have to distinguish between a regular adjustment of status interview and one that's called a Stokes interview, when they don't believe in the legitimacy of the marriage. So if you fail this interview, you have a second chance, but that second chance is tough. So my recommendation is to pass it the first time. Make sure you're well prepared, you remember dates. It's very important. If you're not good with dates, memorize dates, as you know, when your husband came into the country and what status, what's his date of birth, all of your relatives' names, siblings, you know, each other's names, right? Your husband's siblings, his parents, and so forth. So when you go into the interview, you're asked to raise your right hand, to swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, to help you God, and then you have a seat. Your attorney is next to you or behind you, taking notes and objecting to anything that the officer is not supposed to do. And hopefully you're well prepared. Now, the most important thing is to be relaxed and trust yourself, and make sure that you provide any documentation that's original, proving the legitimacy of your marriage. I wish you luck, and stay tuned for our next video on a Stokes interview and how to prepare. Thank you.